What's going on, everybody? Chinedu here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over six figures with ClickFunnels affiliate program, not to brag, but to provide inspiration for someone looking to join the program today. Now, a disclaimer, my results are not typical. Your experience and your results may differ, and in fact, you may not make any money from the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Everybody's income and experience are different and depend on your work ethic and other factors which are beyond my control. Before we get started, why don't you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell to be notified each time I drop a new video. I joined the ClickFunnels affiliate program in March 2018 as a complete novice with no previous experience of internet marketing and was able to cross over six figures in August 2020. A lot of hard work was involved, a lot of trying and testing, and I'll show you exactly what I did. In April 2019, just over a year after starting, I qualified for the dream car, which with ClickFunnels, you get an extra $500 a month when you have over 100 active members. That goes up to $1,000 a month bonus if you have over 200 active members. So I qualified for that award just over a year after joining the affiliate program. I'm going to break my journey through the program into two distinct periods, March to September 2018, and then October 2018 to April 2019, because there was a big difference in my experience and my income in those two periods. So between March and September, when I first started, I knew nothing about internet marketing. I was trying so many different things on my own without any luck. I tried solo ads using the business in a box funnel, which was in vogue at the time. And initially, I signed up about 30 affiliates with solo ads. But you guess what? They all canceled eventually. And by September 2018, I was getting disillusioned, getting disappointed. But then I made a change, which led to my subsequent success. So, what did I do in September 2018? I purchased Spencer Mitchell's Affiliate Secrets 2.0 course. This remains one of the best affiliate marketing courses available. That course changed my complete experience about affiliate marketing, and I implemented everything I learned in that course. And by April 2019, I had qualified for the dream car. I knew about this course when it was Affiliate Secrets 1.0. I kept thinking about buying it, but never really went ahead to do so until Spencer released the 2.0 course, and there was a special offer before the price went up. And that's when I jumped in and got the course. And that was the best investment I made in my affiliate marketing business because I learned strategies I didn't know about. But not only did I learn them, I also implemented what I learned. That experience taught me a very valuable lesson. To succeed in affiliate marketing, or in fact in any internet marketing business, you have to invest in yourself, invest in your education, and invest in your personal development, because what it does is to shorten your learning curve. That was a very valuable lesson which I've applied since then. I've been purchasing courses, learning from people that are more successful than me to help me scale and progress through this business. I will leave a link in the description to Affiliate Secrets 2.0 if you're interested. So, what are the specific things I did? One important strategy was to promote the front end products. That's because ClickFunnels has a value ladder approach to their affiliate program, which means you can promote the very low priced front end products. ClickFunnels will do all the marketing on your behalf. And if people buy the higher priced, higher value products, you get higher commissions. And I'll show you how this works using the books.com secrets and expert secrets. Now, if you look at expert secrets, if somebody buys just the book, all you get is $1 commission. However, because they go through the ClickFunnels value ladder and funnels, they are presented with higher offers. And if they buy those, you make more commissions. So you can see here, Expert Secrets book. I've sold 204 books recently. So you will expect me to make just $204 from that. However, I've made over almost $3,000. Why? Because some of those people that bought this book then bought Expert Secrets, the audiobook, 34, the Black Book Bundle, another 35 bought that, Expert Evolution, 10, Expert Evolution 3 times pay, 2 people bought that. So because of the value ladder, instead of just making over $200, I've made 10 times or more than 10 times that because of this value ladder approach. So as a new affiliate, promote the books, expertsecrets.com secrets, promote the One Funnel Aware Challenge training, the 30-day summit, and also Traffic Secrets book. And then people will buy other products in the funnel and you make higher commissions. You can also see .com secrets here. Again, over 200 books sold and over $1,600 in commissions. Another key strategy I will advise any affiliate is to use the software. Use ClickFunnels yourself. One is important because you can explain to people how the software works. You can use share funnels as bonuses, as lead magnets. So if you don't really know the software, it will be difficult for you to promote it to people because how can you explain to people about a software or a product you don't use yourself? So I will encourage you to use the ClickFunnels software as an affiliate. And there's a link in the description to the free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. Now, as a new affiliate, take the free affiliate bootcamp training, which is very useful because you will learn from 15 top ClickFunnels affiliates who give their different strategies to be successful and win the dream car. So that's the training. It has changed since I took it, but I've done this new training and it is powerful, highly recommended, and it is free. Also, the One Funnel Aware Challenge training gave me the skills on how to present my offers, how to build funnels. And again, if you're a new affiliate, I will encourage you to take the One Funnel Aware Challenge training. It's only $100 and provides so much more value than the price. So this was my strategy, promoting the front-end products, using ClickFunnels, giving away bonuses, and most of the bonuses were based on ClickFunnels, doing the training, investing in myself and learning as I went along. And all this helped me to make that six figure uh, early in 2019. Sorry, in August 2020. In terms of traffic, it was mainly free organic using my blog. I've only just started a YouTube channel, so that wasn't one of my traffic platforms. Facebook, I answered questions on Quora, really used Instagram, and I use a lot of Pinterest. So it was mainly my blog, Pinterest, Quora. Those were my main sources of traffic. I did some paid Google ads, but I found it very expensive. So I changed my strategy and it's now mainly free organic. So today, as I'm doing this video in December 2020, I've got to about 108,000 dollars in commissions, and you can say commissions daily with ClickFunnels. So I hope this video has given someone some inspiration to start ClickFunnels affiliate program as a side hustle, or if you want to start as a full-time internet marketer. Then I hope this video has given you some inspiration. I'm happy to give any help possible. If you leave any comments in this video, I'll provide as much help and support if you do join ClickFunnels. And there are links in the description below to ClickFunnels, to the affiliate program, and to Affiliate Secrets 2.0. Once again, if you like this video, why don't you click below to say so, subscribe to my channel, and also bang that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.